Okay, when you are done with your feather, you're gonna cut out your feather. Okay, now we're gonna add feather. Use your glue. You don't have to do exactly like me. You can do whichever you want. So I'm gonna add a feather on the end of your body part. On the back, don't forget, you're gonna add my feather. This one is way too big. Here we go. If you have your feather crafted feather, you can use this one too. I'm gonna just add a little bit here. Here we go. Now you are done with your bird body part. Now we need to add legs so he can stand. This one can stand. This bird can shape. Can you see it? I'm gonna cut this space. Here we go. Now, so I'm gonna show you how to attach the leg. Here we go. We made a cut on two sides, right? So I had a snip and just a little V-shaped snip. So you can have a little space in between your snips. Okay, now you're gonna grab your cardboard strips, just like this. It's about my finger size. Doesn't have to be super big. It's about slightly more than half inch. Now on the top, you're gonna cut this one about your fingernail size. On your both side, you're gonna cut about your fingernail size. Here we go. You have your two cuts on here. The light is too bright, so you cannot see it, but your cut is right there on here. Do you see the cut? Here we go. My cuts are here about your fingernail size in the middle of your paper, your cardboard strips. Now, on this one, and then on the bottom, you're gonna fold about your fingernail size. We are making tabs, so we can attach this one on the cardboard box, so we can make a stand. Okay, here we go. When you are done adding your wings and everything, you're about to ready to glue everything. You're just gonna use this one. We're gonna use slot joint. Push a little bit. It is slightly hard, but it'll help you. Just wiggle a little bit so you can push in. Here we go. My one slot went in. Now other one, I'm gonna just push in. That's why we have a V-shaped slots. Now I'm gonna twist it just a little bit. Make sure this one goes in. Here we go. I have a leg, two legs. We have a feet and foot. Okay, now legs. There we go. That's how your bird stands. Here we use, oops, sorry guys. We use slot technique to put your cardboard box together. When you have your cardboard box for your base, you can have it trimmed a little bit nicely. I'm gonna add a glue on the bottom. If you want to decorate your base cardboard box, this one, you can do it too. If you want to add a little bird, baby bird, you can attach your baby bird. Okay, count to 20, press down, then voila, here we go. That's how you make your bird. My big bird is here. My little bird is here. Make sure you finish the other side. Okay, add your wing and add your feather. Got it? Have fun, guys.